Hi there. I am here in my studio, just finished up my home studio, just finished up teaching a class, and I know that I would like to do a testimonial for Kuhn. Kuhn is just one of my favorite people in the whole world, and here's why. She has a coaching business, and she helps people increase their cash fast. And she is no joke. She actually does what she says she's going to do. First of all, she does it in a number of different ways. She meets the person right where they're at. So she doesn't have like a one-size-fits-all kind of a coaching program. She met me right where I was at about 2 years ago, and I signed up for her for a year because I saw the value of what she brought to the table. She gives more than what she needs to give in her coaching programs. She is very, very invested in the success for her client. She is willing to listen to negative stuff. And God knows I came in with a lot of negative stuff, and she was willing to listen. And then somehow she has this unique ability to morph it into something really positive and really beautiful. So she doesn't dismiss the negative like she's afraid of listening and hearing all the negative, but she meets that person right where they're at. And then she helps the person figure out, is this the direction they should go, or is this the direction they should go? She's just really brilliant that way, the way that she does that. And the third really special thing about Kuhn is that she is just so creative. She's creative and positive-minded, and so the creativity really just flows. So when she brainstorms ideas and things to do different and how to get more cash flowing into the business, she's just really on top of that creativity factor. And I adore Jean. She always gives more than what she promises, and she over-delivers, and is just a huge positive influence in my life. If you are struggling, which I think just about everyone is struggling during these days, if you are struggling, Kuhn might just be the coach that you can use to lift your business out of the pit that a lot of our businesses have fallen into in the last couple months. So love Kuhn. She just does a brilliant job. Thank you.